Good day, viewers. You are welcome. How to solve these nice functional equations? We are given f of xy equals f of x plus f of y. And also we have f of 10 equals 14 and f of 20 equals 40. What is f of 500? So we have a template formulas already, which is f of xy equals f of x plus f of y. Everything we want to be doing, this formula will be applied. Let's see how we can solve this. So to solve this problem, we are going to apply the use of prime factorization. So starting from the formula, we have f of xy equals f of x plus f of y. If this is known, we have f of 10. The domain of this is 10. So there is a particular formula that makes this one equals 14. If this is 10, let's consider the prime factor of 10. If this is 10, we have the factor of 10 is 2 multiplied by 5. This is the prime factor of 10. And also we have 20. So 20 also has a prime factor of 2 power of 2 multiplied by 5. And the one we are asked to find here is 500, which 500 also can be written as 2 raised to power of 2 multiplied by 5 raised to power of 3. This is 500. So let's start from, since we have 2 and 5 basically, suppose I let f of 2 equals a particular letter, let me call it m. And also I let f of 5 equals n. So this representation, we are going to be using it later. By starting from f of 10, using the template above, we have f of 2 times 5. But f of x times y is given as f of x plus f of y. Then applying this expression, we are going to have f of 2 plus f of 5. Everything equals 14. Because f of 10 here is equals 14. If f of 2 is given as m and f of 5 is given as n, by placing them we have m plus n, this equals 14. By calling this one equation 1. And also, if you apply same thing to f of 20, we are going to have f of 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 5, and this equals 40. So applying this same formula, we are going to have f of 2 power 2 plus f of 5 equals 40. But f of 2 raised to power of 2, when we apply same formula from here, we have f of 2 times 2, which is f of 2 plus f of 2. F of 2 plus f of 2 here, this gives us 2f of 2. That is, f of 2 square is given as 2f of 2. Therefore, we have 2f of 2 plus f of 5 equals 40. But f of 2 has been represented to be m. Therefore, we have 2m plus n equals 40. We call this one equation 2. By bringing these two equations together, equation 1 is m plus n equals 14. This is our equation 1. Let's subtract these two from each other. By subtracting it, we subtract 2 from 1, as we have 2m plus n, then minus m plus n equals 40 minus 14. So by opening this, 2m minus m, this gives us m, and here is plus n minus n, that one cancels out. This equals 40 minus 14, that gives us 26. That is, the value of m here equals 26. And if m equals 26, we can get our n here by considering the equation 2, which is m plus n equals 14. So substituting it in this one, we are going to have 26 plus n equals 14, and n here equals, by taking this 26 to this side, that is 14 minus 26, and 14 minus 26 here, it gives us minus 12. Therefore our n is minus 12. And hence, since we have m and n gotten already, we are now going to have our f of 2, which we let it to be m initially, is equals 26, and f of 5 equals minus 12. Therefore, to get f of 5 ordained, since we have f of 5 ordained to be equals f of 2 power of 2 multiplied by 5 power of 3. So this gives us, using the same formulas, we have f of 2 power 2 times 5 raised to power of 3 equals f of 2 power of 2 plus f of 5 power of 3. But here f of 2 is given as 2 f of 2 plus f of 5 power 3 is also 3 f of 5. F of 2 is 26, then we have 2 multiplied by 26 plus 3 into bracket of f of 5 is minus 12. So by subtracting this one from each other, we are going to have 16. Therefore, f of 5 ordained equals 16. This is how to solve this problem. I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Never stop learning. Bye bye.